5 millionaires reveal their top money secrets. If it appears that the wealthy know something about money that the rest of us do not, it is most likely because they do. According to the Federal Reserve, the richest 1% of individuals would own more than 30% of the world's wealth by the end of 2021. Maybe the wealthy have some secrets to wealth generation, but it doesn't mean that what they know has to stay a mystery. Here are 5 different money secrets revealed by 5 millionaires. Let's look into it and find out what they know. Number 1. Make money work for you. The biggest secret of all, according to Harvey Raybould, owner of Freedom Via Property, is to stop working for money and start letting money work for you. The sooner people use this theory, the sooner they will become millionaires. When we trade our time for money, our earning potential is constantly constrained by the number of hours we can work in a day. All millionaires and billionaires create their own wealth via the labor of others, which allows them to generate an infinite amount of money. They generate revenue even when they are asleep, says Raybould. Number 2. Take advantage of time, not timing. Nobody has any way of knowing what the stock market will do tomorrow. The rich are aware of this and don't try to work as day traders in their spare time. According to Peter Lazaroth, a licensed financial advisor at Plan Corp LLC, time is more crucial to investing success than timing. The majority of people believe that forecasting market fluctuations is the secret to success in the stock market. But wealthy people are aware that the most crucial elements in increasing wealth are time and compound returns. Although it may seem contradictory, becoming wealthy necessitates investors to follow a boring buy-and-hold strategy, endure market swings, and ignore speculative activity. Number 3. Put it in writing. The distinction between having an idea and putting it on paper is frequently what sets the really successful apart from regular people. If you believe that success equals wealth, it might be time to start outlining your modest and big financial goals. According to Thomas Corley, author of Rich Habits, The Daily Success Habits of Successful Individuals, 81% of the wealthy individuals he studied kept a to-do list, and 67% of them wrote down their goals. If you want to become a multimillionaire, write it down along with a strategy for getting there. Number 4. Focus on one thing at a time. Work on growing your primary income source when you're just getting started, advises Ryan Maestro, an investment strategist with WantFI.com. Many people want success to come quickly, so they start working on numerous side hustle projects in the hopes that one of them will take off and money will start pouring in right away. However, this frequently takes your attention away from the fantastic opportunity for career progression that is right in front of you. While side jobs can earn you extra money, they frequently result in mediocre work because your time and energy are divided among too many projects. Number 5. Understand your investments. Ali Brown, the creator of the trust, says, "I found myself suddenly surrounded by people who had opportunities for me when my income increased. Others were people I had been introduced to by friends. I took their counsel because I knew it would be beneficial for me to diversify." Brown claims that within a year, she had invested in expensive real estate, a popular new restaurant opening in Los Angeles, and a business venture in a field she knew nothing about. Within a few years, all failed or turned into a mess. The good news is that she smartened up and decided not to invest in anything she didn't fully understand going forward. Well, that's all I got for you today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.